Well, oh. Well, that's not good. The tank, the pipe coming into the tank is tilted that way instead of this way going into the tank, so the grade on this is wrong for sure. All right, that is the inlet pipe, and the inlet pipe is going downhill, so it's going the opposite of what it should be going. It should be coming downhill into the tank. Instead, it's coming uphill into the tank. All right, let's go in here and put some water in the toilet. Then I'm going to set you up back out there and get you running. And then I'm going to flush the toilet. I've got several of these, so we got as much as we need. Let's take them over. This is a cool place, that's for sure. Spray foamed. Yeah. Stubbed out. It's stubbed out for, definitely stubbed out for, you know, a shower and what have you, kitchen. All right, let's see. Let's just fill up the tank. It's going to be the easiest, so I ain't hauling a ton of water in here. Alrighty. Alright, so this thing should only do 1.5 gallons, but we'll put 2 gallons in it or whatever. No. We may not put 2 gallons in it. Let's see. Oh yeah, let's fill her up. Oh, it's gonna be one good flush. Ah, it's nice in here, man. Hey, this is an awesome little place. Oh yeah, perfect. Got the wood stove. Oh yeah, they know how to light a fire. Check that out. That's how you do it. Evidently somebody drove on it. Something happened there to push that. I'm sure it's just that. I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure it is just that is the case. So, yeah, you don't know for sure until you dig. But the way the water came in, looking at the video, it's probably just that short 1 to 2 foot pipe that is there. Let's see what it is. Let's clean this probe off. All right. Something's there, so we gotta, yeah, okay. Out of breath, folks. Anyway, so I ended up coming back the next day because I didn't have the tractor with me. I came back and we're going to replace the pipe. So let me show you what's wrong. So it comes out of the building here. They got a bend here, and they have a coupling here, which has pushed down, as you can see, and it's pushed down several inches. That pipe is slanted downwards, and then this one is not good, not where it's supposed to be. So, yeah, we'll dig this out and replace it. Yeah. Did not show the digging. Didn't want the video to be too long. Man, that's just too bad. If they hadn't had that coupling there, they probably would have been okay. I guess they ran out of pipe. I don't know what happened there. But we're going to replace about 80-90% of it for sure. Yeah, and get it in there like it's supposed to be. Whew, goodness. Look at that. All right, so there's no glue. No glue. No glue. Man, that's too bad. If they wouldn't have put a coupling in there, it'd have been perfect. All right, let's do 50 inches. I think that'll get it. We might need to do 51. Let's do 51. All right, let's do this. Let's get it in there. Let's get it glued. Then we'll come back and we'll cut it. We'll cut this off. That way it's not too long, because see, it's as long as it is right now, it's going to cause a stop up, but we're going to glue it, then we're going to cut it off. I'm by myself, so it's just tough gluing and pushing and prying and the whole deal, because this is a snug fit. Yeah. It's gonna do her. Oh yeah, she's looking good. So I'm gonna tell you, the guys who installed this did a good job. They just did not glue this coupling. Evidently they ran out of full sticks and they pieced things together, because they've got perfect flow. They did things awesome, and that's for sure. I believe that'll be okay. All right. Yeah.